Hey guys, welcome back. So we actually have to run some errands today. I am all packed up in my sling and stroller caddy. I did film a video that will be out later on, but later on or before this, I'm not really sure. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on with my day. Oh my gosh, you could see my daughter's fingerprints all over my mirror. My baby, she makes a mess. So we ended up going out to eat for dinner. As you guys can tell, we rarely do this, but I'm always prepared. My husband got his favorite tea that he absolutely loves. He really swears by it. Really hope I didn't butcher the name. But my daughter's little setup here, you guys know I talk about it all the time. I get everything on Amazon. My husband got her a Hot Wheel just in case she needed some distraction. And this is dinner. It was absolutely delicious. It was really, really good. We got one big soup and one big rice and we shared it. And my daughter absolutely loved the rice as well. Really isn't much. It's weirdly like packed in there, and there was a lady that was like yelling really loudly and making me so anxious. I was dying. I was like, oh my god, let's go. But let me quickly show you the couple of stuff we got. I'm not gonna show you too much because some of it is for a video that you guys already have seen at the point of uploading this video. But yeah, let me just quickly show you. I know, guys, again, I made a story on this before, but these books are amazing if your child likes Frozen. It's really, really simple, and like the things you say are like actual things that like they say in the show, like you read. I really recommend this. That is for another video. But I did get her these two for now, and it says happy face to kind of show her, and this is Simba, Liz's eyebrows, and you know, kind of telling you what to do, and she can see herself. I thought that was really cute. And then I also got her this book, which is animal sounds. The other day she was with my husband and they were playing, and he kept showing her animals and she kept saying wolf and roar to everything. He's like, you need to watch Animal Planet because you think everything's a monster, which I thought was hilarious. But yeah, this actually says like wolf and then like quack quack. I really like things like this, so I got her that one for right now. Baby shower would have way passed, so this is the only reason I'm showing it. But I got some paper and a bag for the gift. My daughter was here, so everything's kind of thrown all over the place. My husband got her another brush. He saw Cookie Monster, he's like, that is adorable. She plays with them too, so that works. And I got one of these to wash her bottles and also wash our coffee cups. More garbage bags. Yes, I am grabbing stuff from all over the place because she threw everything everywhere. I got my Arizona. I literally watered that down, but yeah. And then my husband got some gloves as well to get some stuff again for another video. I really have to wash dishes. I do want to show you guys. Oh no. Someone's being dramatic. All right, so I actually my husband got these from Dollar Store as well, but I got a couple things so got these from the Dollar Store. There is another big purchase that I got, not big, but a purchase that I made that is kitchenware from the Dollar Store, which I'll show you guys after. Let me just quickly show you guys what I got on my Target order. It actually came in the mail, so I'll show you right now. Food wise, I got this. I love this for our coffees. I put a very teeny bit, but it makes a big difference. I got some grape for our peanut butter and jellies. Grape jelly. I don't even know what it said. Got some rosemary just because when we can't get our hands on fresh rosemary, this makes a big difference in meals. And then I am going to try to make some noodles. So I got some sesame seed oil. And then we ran out of my favorite veggie seasoning. So I got this one to see if it's any good, to be honest. All right, so I did get one thing at Sephora. and it is my daily UV defense sunscreen. And this is SPF 36. This SPF is amazing. I also did get the Milani liquid contour, so it's a conceal and perfect. I got it in 01. It's like a brown contour, cream contour. I really wanted to try this. I've been hearing amazing things about it, and also their liquid highlighter one, so I might try that out as well, but I thought I'll try out the contour first. I got my little elf puff that I actually absolutely love. Speaking of elf, I actually picked up some skincare stuff. If you didn't know, I actually used to work at Sephora inside JCPenney for almost 8 years, or 8 years. For a really long time. My career choice is actually makeup, so I've done makeup for like 12 years. But you normally use Tatcha or It Cosmetics cleaner skincare things, but I really wanted to try elf's skincare. One, I can't really afford those other things right now. And two, I am still nursing, so a lot of higher end skincare items actually have a lot of bad stuff in it that are not recommended while you're nursing or while you're pregnant. So decided to go ahead and try this because everybody talks about it. So I got the Holy Hydration Gentle Exfoliating Gentle Exfoliant with papaya and tangerine extract. And then I also got the Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. Heard amazing things about it. And then the Holy Hydration Face Cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. Two things that I absolutely love in my skincare items. And this one is actually SPF 30. So I'm really excited for this one. I got those. Some feminine wash. Don't know if I like that yet. And then my hair, curly hair items. So I got the L'Oreal Dreamy Length Curls Non-Stop Dreamy Curls Leave-In Cream. I absolutely love this stuff. I did do a reel on me using this. I normally use it's a 10 leave-in conditioner spray, but I really wanted to try this. It has hyaluronic acid and castor oil, and it's basically to help replenish curls when they're not like fresh, new, washed. So I thought I'd try that out as well. All right, and really quickly, I did just want to show you guys I actually had some stuff that I was gonna buy at Kohl's, and my mom ended up beating me. She was like, what are they? And I'll just get them for her. So she did. It's not for me, it's for my daughter. So I got her some shorts. Well, she got her some shorts. These are size 3T. And then these as well. They come in sets of 2. The reason I got these is because I got some dresses. I hate that toddler. I've said this in my last haul for my daughter. I absolutely hate that they don't make dresses for toddlers with shorts or little underwears. Like, that irks me so bad. I feel like that should just be something that comes together. Just me. So I got this one. It's so freaking cute, but of course I got it because of Encanto. She loves that movie. This one's actually the only one that's 3T. 2T. The 3T looked ginormous, so we decided to get the one size smaller. And then this one is 3T, and I thought it was really cute with like some flowers. And then this is like my second favorite because Encanto one's my first favorite. But this one's 3T as well, and it is Beauty and the Beast basically. But it's so freaking pretty. But yeah, I'm not really a dress person myself, but I did want to, get some things that were kind of like that for her. And then this is just a little what she's going to wear for Easter. I'm pretty sure Easter already passed by the time I upload this video, or it will be like either just happened or actually maybe Easter weekend. I'm not even sure. But I got her Easter outfit from Shein, actually. This is from Shein, and I thought it was so freaking cute. Can't wait to see it on her. I love that it's long and it's actually pretty skinny here. I put it against her already and it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. But yeah, those are just the little things that I've gotten here and there that I just wanted to show you guys. All right, so I have these bowls from, I believe I got these at Kohl's when I first purchased my house, and they're like soup bowls, cereal, whatever you want. So I normally have like black and gray dishware, and I really wanted a marble one to kind of match it. And the dollar store had some. Y'all, I was so excited. So I got a set, well, not a set, I got 6 of the marble ones. They're not exact, like exact matching. Because of course marble is like, you know, like different. It's like marble, duh, right? But I got a whole bunch that I'm about to wash. I'm so excited to have these. I am probably gonna toss my plastic plates because you know that's not really good. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy coming a little bit along with me, having dinner with me and my husband and my munchkin. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.